Hello guys, good morning. This is a hair lagyan ko ng ating so i-massage lang natin siya ng 2 minutes and then let it stay for 15 minutes bago badawan siya ng conditioner. Yan. So this ingredients will help to grow a new hair to your scalp and make the hair longer. Yan. Because before I have a big alopecia here on top of my head, but now the hair is getting longer now and grow more faster. Yeah. So let it stay for 15 minutes.